Hi, girls and boys and girls. I'm listening and see if I can hear what you're saying to me. Hey, you know what? There's sounds all around us, isn't there? I just read a great book, Sounds All Around Us, by Nancy Liebler. Guess what? Did you know that cats make a sound? How about a cow? You ever heard a cow moo? Moo. Or you got parakeets? You ever heard a bird singing? You ever heard a construction worker working? How about a big, have you heard airplane go overhead? Have you been close to an airport? How about a train? How about a big truck? You ever heard a big truck blow its horn? Do you know what your best friend's voice sounds like? You know what your mom and dad's voice sounds like, don't you? How about your brothers and your sisters? Hey, I tell you what, in this book, Sounds All Around Us by Nancy Liebler, you're going to see some great things that make sound. Have you ever heard lightning? Have you ever heard the thunder that comes from lightning? I'll tell you what, boys and girls, you might be able to hear the wind blowing. The wind's blowing pretty good today as we're doing this video. So I tell you what, your ears are very important to us. So get this book and find out some of the great things that you never even thought of, I bet, that you hear. So get this book, Sounds All Around Us by Nancy Liebler. And you know what? This is a non-fiction book. Means everything in here is true. Hey, this is Mr. Dean. Thanks for joining me for another Mr. Dean's Outdoor Reading Adventures.